Hello everyone, it's Pyguru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn about an SMS and call bomber using Termux. So for this we'll be using a repository called T-Bomb, and first of all we'll clone it on our Android phone using Termux. Then we'll learn how can we create fake calls or SMSs send in bulk using this tool. So for this I'll provide the link for this GitHub repo in the video description. Just go there and check it out. Now we have two ways to install it. The first one is by using pip, and the other one is using git. Okay, so we'll be using the git version. So all you have to do is just scroll down, and here for Termux, just copy this code and open your Termux and just paste it here and hit enter. So it will take some time to get installed. So let's wait for some time. Now it's installing the required dependencies. So it says press any key to continue. We'll just hit enter and then again wait for some time. Finally, it's done now. And now here it's asking for some options, giving us some options like press 1 to start SMS bomber, press 2 for call bomber, press 3 for mail bomber, and 4 to update and 5 to exit. So let's try the SMS bomber. So I'll just type 1 and hit enter. And here it's loading the bombing page. Here it says enter your country code. So I'll just enter 91 as I'm in India. And then I have to type the target number. So let me just type one number. Here I enter the number. Now it says enter number of SMS to send. So let's say I'll type 20. You can give any number up to 500. Then it says enter delay in time. So let's just say I want SMS to be sent in every 1 second, and then enter number of threads. So it says recommended 2. So let's just type 2 and hit enter. Now we'll just have to wait. It says press Ctrl G to suspend the bomber or enter to resume it. So let's just enter and it will start sending the SMSs. Now you can see it is sending the SMSs. Few are successful and few are failed, but don't worry, it will end only when the 20 SMSs are sent. So let's just wait. So it sent all the 20 SMSs, and now it again goes to the home page. And here if you want to run T-Bomb, so all you have to do is type ./t then bomb.sh, hit enter, and it will again get the home screen. Again we are here at the menu, and if you want you can just try pressing 2 to start call bomber. Since mail bomber is not available in T-Bomb, we will try some other tool for the same in the next tutorial. So this is it for this video guys. If you love this video, leave a like or dislike. If you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.